back to the hands-on review segment of the CP Republic. As we said, we are going to review the Cherry Mobile Flare S4. Okay. Kasi naalala ko yung Galaxy S4. Anyway, so ito yung isa sa mga bagong Cherry Mobile phones na released just a few weeks ago. We don't have the we don't have the Flare 4. We rarely reviewed the S4 Plus. So that supposedly is the larger version of this phone that we're holding right now. So before we continue, let's just have a quick specs roundup. Jam, ano yung mga specs nito?
Well, it has a 1.3 GHz MT6753 octa-core processor. It's a 64-bit processor, by the way. 1280 by 720 5-inch HD IPS display. LTE, 16 gigs of internal storage with micro SD, which is up to 32 gig, 2 gigs of RAM, 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, and dual SIM. And syempre, meron siyang 2100 mAh of battery, which is removable.
Yeah. So as you have heard with Jam's specifications of the Cherry Mobile Flare S4, this seems to be a very feature-packed smartphone.
Yes.
Okay. Yun lang, 2,100 milliamperes of battery that is given. We know it's not gonna last for people who are power users for this phone. Pero nevertheless, I mean, marami namang for its price, talagang
maganda siya.
Hindi ka mapapahiya.
Maganda eh.
Hindi ka mapapahiya sa niya. Okay. So, bakit hindi ka mapapahiya? Unang-una, it's with the materials. Okay, the physical attributes of the Flare S4. Actually, iba na talaga itsura ng Flare. I mean, we used to natatandaan niyo ba guys kung ano itsura ng lumang Flare?
Yung pinakauna bang Flare?
Yung pinakaunang Flare?
Meron ka pa ba dyan yung pinakaunang Flare?
Yes. This was the very first Flare.
Ang tabahan na sa akin yung unang Flare. Parang dati, okay siya. Ganda, manipis.
Yeah, that was the very first Flare. And on the left is the Flare S4. So marami ng variants kasi ang Flare, no? Yan. So, yan yung itsura ng Flare na likod. Grabe. I can still remember the first time na pinaglaruan ko itong Flare. See? So, excuse me, malakas na yung malaki na yung size. Malaki yung size difference. Dati, masaya na tayo sa ganitong screen size. Back in 2012. With the dual-core processor. But now, we have an octa-core processor in the LTE. Okay? So, anyway, speaking of which, look at the back cover. Yung mga designs siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa itong design.
Triangular something.
Yeah.
Although hindi siya yung parang katulad sa Deluxe na talagang may siya, na parang 3D talaga siya. Ito, it's a texture talaga.
It's just texture, pero it
looks really different and maganda.
It makes the Flare S4 unique.
Yes, exactly.
Diba? It makes the Flare S4 unique. So anyway, back to the physical attribute of the phone. Itong Flare is not made of metal. Okay? It's made of plastic, which makes the phone cheap. Okay? Or let me rephrase that. It makes the phone affordable. Alright?
Right.
Ito, marami nagsasabi sa akin na itong phone na to, akala nila is worth 10,000 pesos.
Oh, really?
Yes. Hindi, no kidding. Okay?
Kasi, alam mo, ang ganda talaga kasi. Ang ganda eh. Hindi mo makakalain na ganun pala kamura yung Flare S4.
Marami na ako nag-goy nito. Whether existing mga Cherry mobile phone users or non-Cherry mobile users, akala nila this phone is worth 9,000, 10,000, or even 12,000. No, pero nagugulat sila na ano lang to, na yun nga, na half the price pa. No? Because yung materials niya dito, ito metal to eh. Metal yung
sobrang solid the metal frame.
The body frame, no, is made of metal. So actually, pag ginawa ka nito, medyo mabigat.
Yes.
So, 'di ba, yung mga tao, parang cheap naman yan eh. No? Yari sa plastic yan eh. So,
no, actually not, guys. So,
pero ito, hindi. Iba talaga to, guys. Iba talaga. Walang flare na ganyan. Okay? Maraming flare tayo na napagkaroon throughout the years.
Pero
this is the first time na nagkaroon ng flare na ganito yung, body frame niya. Excuse me. Yan. So, yan yung yan ang physical attributes. No? So, dito pala, panalo ka na sa itsura niya. Okay? Now, as you can see here, okay, the UI, responsive UI, that's expected because this is is powered by an octa-core processor, 2 GB of RAM pa, no, and yun ang itsura ng sa loob. Mga iba, of course, ako na nag-download ng mga apps. Yung mga bagong apps na nilagay dito ni Cherry are actually Dr. Booster.
Parang halos lahat ng mga local smartphones pa rin.
Nagkaroon na rin ng Dr. Booster.
And mostly MediaTek may Dr. Booster talaga.
Yes. Parang si Trend Micro actually ang gumawa niyan. No. Anyway, and the rest are filled with Google Apps. Now let's see the performance of the Flare S4 octa-core processor nga, 1.3 gigahertz. I've installed a game here, yung Marvel Contest of Champions. Okay, reconnect tayo. Ay, kailangan ng Wi-Fi. So, yan, yung kita nyo yung interface.
Very Android 5.0.
Yeah, so this is really on Android Lollipop. So, yan yung kikita natin na it's already on Lollipop. Kaya, ganyan yung interface niya, yung ganyan yung notification. Right, we're connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see. Kailangan niya, kailangan niya konting update. I haven't updated the game quite a while. The screen also, the screen jam is also pretty nice. Pretty nice.
2.5D yung glass niya. May curves siya sa dulo ng glass. So, pag hinahawakan niyo siya, hindi niyo maramdam na flat. Parang may smooth na pa-curve na pa-ganon. Para siya nakaganto, naka-curve doon sa dulo. So, parang iPhone 6 yung feel ng
yeah, that was not mentioned by Cherry at all, which is quite strange. Or maybe tayo lang yata nakakaalam. Pero
it's a really parang small feature, pero pag talagang mahilig ka sa aesthetic, sobrang ganda niya.
Yes. Okay, so yeah. Yan, tumatakbo na yung game. So increase the volume. So the volume is, it's quite audible, right? It's not too much, not really too loud. Or actually quite, it is quite loud. Okay? The speakers are found here at the back. Medyo malakas yung speakers nitong Flare S4. So let's try. Jam, you want to play? Para ikaw Yeah, sige. We'll let Jam play.
Okay, so ganda nung so kita niyo that Spider-Man in the green.
Excuse me.
So paglalabanin natin yung dalawa.
Pardon me guys, hindi pa rin gumagaling ang ubo ko. Kaya pa ubo. May marinig kayo ubo once in a while. Ayan, so Jam will,
Okay, so
yan.
Okay, so yan. Hindi ko lang kung nangyari. So, let's see.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Yan, so, fight.
Panther.
Si Black Panther. So, by the way, si Black Panther lalabas sa Captain America Civil War.
Ay, oo. Meron nga daw.
So,
Grabe, that's already next year. That's few months away.
malapit-lapit na. Pero for now, we'll have Spectre this November. And next week na, yes. And Star Wars. Yan. So, wow. Okay, so smooth siya. So, pinatay agad ako. So, hindi ko lang kung sino ako dito. Wolverine ako, pero maganda yung graphics niya and malinis.
Oh, malinis. Yeah, just natin yung ano.
KO. So, yan. As you could see, smooth siya. Walang problema. The lightings are good. The textures are pretty good. May anti-aliasing siya. Sobrang ganda ng graphics niya. And mabilis naman mag-load yung game mismo.
Yeah. So, there's no doubt. There's no doubt that this is really true octa-core.
And it is really powerful.
Kahit na si Bumura, talaga, mura, baka mamaya hindi ko magkala yung game. Well, kita-kita
nyo na guys, gumagana.
Maganda pa ng maganda pa yung screen. So this is screen lang niya is, 1280 by 720 5-inch HD IPS display. No? Focus ba? Yeah, focus na.
Wait lang ng konti. There we go!
Yan.
So, kita nyo naman, maganda performance, mabilis sa tapos. Pero, wow, kita nyo yung araw, kita nyo yung lighting sa likod. Ibang-iba yung maganda. So,
you should see this for yourself, man. You should see this personally.
Overall, maganda yung performance ng graphics and processor niya.
Yeah, so if you want to multitask, kaya na press, this one pala. Long press yung menu button, and kikita nyo yung mga open na see, dami.
Alam nyo, yun lang yung ayoko sa Cherry. Gusto ko yung isang pindutan na lang to para for
Yeah, nakakahilo kasi.
And most of the time kasi isang pindot na lang. Pero alam ko parang si MediaTek yata yung may ano yan.
Siguro.
So, sana magkameron ng on-screen buttons na multitask, home button and the back button.
Okay, so let's discuss the camera naman. The camera, this one is equipped with a 13 megapixel camera. Not the best. Actually, there are better cameras than this, in my opinion. Pero pwede na ipasa. I took some indoor photos. Well, actually, I took most of these indoor photos. Yan, tulad yan. Okay naman kinalabasan niya. This one was taken inside here in the office. With this one, with the flash to May flash nga ba to?
Yeah, meron.
Or
Flash yan.
Or HDR?
May flash yan. So, kasi may black So, ito yung picture
natin
dati.
Flash. Yan yung flash dati. Yeah. I think HDR lang yata. Right?
Yes. Yan yung HDR.
Yan yung HDR. So, maliwanag siya. Well, of course, maliwanag kasi nasa loob ng ilaw.
Okay naman yung details.
Yeah, sa details.
Kita na. Although, hindi basa yung text. Pero okay pa rin. Sharp pa rin siya.
Yeah. This one, nighttime. Okay, which is challenging. Alright? Challenging yung night. It's not, well, Jam, it's not really a nice sight, no? Hindi siya masyado, hindi maganda tingnan. That's challenging talaga with these low light conditions.
Yan. So, medyo, pero okay na din. I mean, ano ba rereklamo mo? 5,000 pesos lang yung smartphone.
Yeah, so huwag kayong magreklamo. Pero ako nagreklamo ako hindi ako masyado,
Pero I'm satisfied for 5,000 pesos.
Mga indoor shots. Again, mga food shots. Okay. Look at the details of this. Yan, ito. Yan. Look at the details of this. Cheese, diba? Cheese na may mga kamote chips yata ito. Ito yung So, ito kare-kare ito yung mag-uong. Sarap. Nagutom ako bigla. Ayan, so those are the samples. So pwede na ipasa. Naturally, yung I don't have daylight shots. But the daylight shots, well, as always, it's okay naman. Okay, as expected. And speaking of, I forgot to mention, we took Antutu. yung 2-2 scores, and a 2-2 score for this one. Let's open the gallery. Na-save ko sa gallery. 24,117 yung 2-2 score niya.
Okay na din. 24,117 okay na siya.
Actually, bababaan ako pero...
Hindi, medyo mababa. Pero,
yeah, pero
nag-64-bit ba siya? Hindi pa yata
yeah,
nag-64?
no, this one's 64-bit.
Okay.
But nevertheless,
yung performance
yung kanina. Yung performance kanina, di ba?
Yun yung hindi na ako nag-trust sa numbers Dun sa performance kanina.
Yeah. So, anyway, for the benefit of those na mahilig check na ng 2-2, ayan, ginawa na namin. Pero, yun nga, it doesn't matter because the phone is nice. I like this phone. I mean, 4,999.
Anong reklamo mo? Ganda na ng performance.
It's also available, in few other colors.
Like gold, meron gold na.
May gold, may white. Maganda rin pala yung white nito pero
mas type yung black. Yung gold.
I'm glad that I got the
black one.
The black one. And actually, may kasama accessories to. May mga accessories na may nabenta na rin.
May
hindi nasama natin dito
May jelly case.
Yeah, may jelly case. May may LED, may flip cover the case specifically for the Flare S4. These are original Cherry Mobile accessories which you can also buy at the Cherry Mobile stores and kiosks. So, mura lang.
Sobrang mura. Sabihin nyo, mas mura pa sa bangketa. Hindi, mas mura.
Huwag na kayo bumili ng mga peking accessories ng Cherry. Bumili na kayo.
Kasi yun talaga yung for Cherry talaga.
Oo, yun ang official. And bukod doon, may mga official accessories din ng Cherry tulad ng charger, USB cable.
Meron silang earphones.
Earphones, high quality yun. Pero 199 pesos lang.
Yung mahabang cable, type na din.
1.8 meters yun. So,
medyo mas mahaba.
Kung medyo, nag-charge ka habang natutulog, may SIM kable, hindi mo mahihila yung telepono, hindi mo,
kasi iba, may SIM sobre.
Oo, diba? Baka mahila yung charger. Yan. At charger, fast charger din. 2 amperes yun. Anyway guys, so this is really a good buy. Ang personal ko lang dito, sana medyo na-improve yung camera. Oh yeah, yung battery.
Yung battery,
2,000, mention kanina, 2,100 mAh ng battery. So, talaga maiksi. Ito nakakainis kasi may LTE nga ako, di ba? So, LTE ko with which is actually Wi-Fi smart. Maabot ako dito 8 hours continuous. Normal use ko yun.
Normal use lang yan.
Oo. Pag talagang use na, naglalaro ako ng games, tutuloy ako maglaro ng games, maabot lang ako ng mga 4 hours lang. No? So, kailangan magdala naman kayo ng power bank. I know, nagreklamo kayo, 2,100 mAh battery lang. Kasi mura nga
Mura.
Pero yun nga, may mga alternative naman, may mga Pixies naman tayo na
yung Pixies sobrang mura niya, pero ang ganda ng performance.
Pixies na battery na power bank, di ba? So, magkano lang naman yun? 10,400 pa ng milliamperes sa power bank. May 5,000 din sila kung gusto mo mas maliit. Di ba? Mga abot kaya yan. So, perfect partner yan with the Cherry Mobile Flare S4. So, the Flare S4 is already out, Jam, diba?
It's already out.
Yeah, so, may full review rin kami. Ipopost ito sa dronthego.net. Kung sakaling hindi nyo pa nababasa, yung Flare S4 review ni Jam.
Flare S4 Plus.
S4 Plus pa.
Darating din soon. Pero you can watch our previous episode ng review ng S4 Plus sa CP Republic.
Sa CP Republic. Alright, so that ends our review and that's all.
That's all. So,
alright, we'll be back.